Okay, we're on video 31. And I think we left off, it's been a while now, been a few days. We're working on the spike. And what I said about the spike, I think I said it. You're going to shoot it a bunch of times. It's going to explode, turn into an orb. Once you and then you have to shoot the orb a few times or run it over with your ship, and you'll get extra guns. So let's look into this create code. Where are we at here? So we got our speed, rotation. Okay, that's good. Okay, we want to have it come in. It's going to come in from the sides. So we'll do that random thing again. Random equals irandom. Oops. Irandom 0 to 3. So there's 0 to 3. Okay, so which means 0 to 4, really. I mean, 0 to 3 is 1 to 4. So if, and we could do a random range, but this is fast and easy. If random equals 0, x equals random. This is what we'll do with the random range. Random range. That'll be up and down. So 20. Why do I keep doing that? 20 and room width. So we're coming from the top here. So it can be anywhere from the top, but we want to make sure that it's inside the frame. So we could even do this. Here's the top one, and the Y is going to be 50 because the frame is at 50 at the top. Let's just do this. If random equals 1, x random is 20. Okay, that's fine. And no, that's not what we want. This is going to be the bottom. So basically it's the same right there. And we'll go room height minus 20. And actually we could even do something different here. Okay. Actually, I'm not going to do that. This will work fine. Okay. Okay, this will be the left. And we should probably actually call it what it is, random range. And random, if it equals 2, then the x will be 20. It's from the left. And the y, this is where we're going to be random on the y. The top is 50. Room height minus 20. room height minus 20. Now we're going to do the right side. X is going to equal room width minus 20, and the same, it's going to be the same on the height. Okay, so that was on the create mode. Now, okay, so that's just going to create it at this point. So let's get into our game controller and let's just go ahead and create it. So on the step, we'll add a control code, create spike. Okay, so in here, we got the enemies on. Okay, so here we'll go if global dot spike on is false and global dot ship alive is true and global dot playing is true. And once again, let's go look in our scripts, make sure we got that variable. Let's see. Yep, there it is. I'm assuming we made that in the last video. Then another random equals integer random $2,000. So I'm running off the same timing of the random stuff that I had for the UFO. If random equals 50, and I'm doing it exactly the same. It can be anything from 0 to 2,000. Instance create. Once again, just XY, and when you do just XY, it just means 0, 0. But when the object's created, it will tell it where it needs to be. Object spike. And in here, I'm going to, remember before, wait, why do I have that? I don't need that. I always just, for testing purposes, random equals the number we're looking for. So it should pop right on out. What am I missing here? That's good. It's not good. Okay, there we go. Uh-oh, we got a problem. Step event line 2 variable object game line 2. Okay, I think I know what's going on here. I put that as a capital. See, it's very important with your variables. And there it is. It's coming after me. But we don't have the real code going on yet. That's what it's gonna do. We're gonna add all kinds of stuff here. Okay, here's our object spike. Okay, so now we gotta add, let's add a step. This is the stuff that's gonna happen while it's alive. Add our code. Okay, if rotation direction equals 0, which we made in our creation code, I'm assuming here. Rotation direction is 0 or 1. Okay. Okay, if it equals 0, image angle plus equals rotation speed, and then else we want it to be negative rotation speed. And also our rotation speed is right up in here. It's a random number, 0.1 to 5. Oops. Okay, let's give that a try. Should be able to see it rotate. Okay, now it's rotating, making its funky noises. Okay, we also want we want it to be heading towards the ship. It's always going to be heading towards the ship, kind of like the bullets from the spaceship. So direction equals point direction x, y, which is where where the spike is. Then we're going to once again shoot it towards the object tracker. Oops. Ship tracker. Ship. It's going to pop up ship tracker dot x and object ship tracker. Going to pop up tracker. It's always not a lot easier when it pops up. Dot y. Let's give that a try. Now it should be heading, no matter where you are on the screen, it should start heading after you. See that? See it starts following you? That's pretty cool. Can't shoot it though. But he can't hurt you at this point. Okay. Alright. Maybe we should add us shooting it. Okay. Okay, so let's grab the bullet, because we're going to be shooting at it. We'll need a collision for the ship too, but let's add an event, collision, game object, spike, control code. Okay, the first thing we need to do, because the alarm 0 is what destroys the bullet, so we'll say alarm 0 equals 1. I think we're gonna need some more variables here though. We don't have them here. Let's do global, this is in the script variables, dot spike hits equals 0. Okay, if global dot spike hits is larger or equal to 3, just to make sure, that's why we do the larger, then with other, which is the spike, instance destroy. Yeah, we should just do this part at this point. And then we'll set it back, global dot spike hits equals 0. Else Okay, that's larger than or equal to 3. Instance destroy. Then we'll say global dot spike hits plus equals 1. So we got to increment it. And I'm also going to change the color of the spike as it gets hit. So I'm going to say if global dot spike hits equals 1, then we'll say image. Oh, we also got to do this with other. Oops. With other. Same as up here. We're talking to the spike at this point. Okay. Image blend equals, I'm going to go with sea green if it's one hit. And then we'll do else if it equals 2, we'll go with, I like a purple. I like purple. Purple. One more. And this one will be sea red. Okay. So, oh, we need one more thing here. We need one more little tallywhacker. See what we got going here. Wait, we got an error here. Instance destroy. Okay, so there's your code for shooting at this bastard. Now, also in the spike, I believe I want to have a destroy option in here too. Control code. Yeah, I want to give you a score for shooting it down. First of all, global dot score plus equals, I'll give you 50 points. Then we got to tell it that it's off. Global dot spike on equals false. I used something different here. I'm not going to do it just yet. I used a blast, and I'll show you how that works in probably the next one. Audio stop sound spike. Okay, so let's give this a try real quick. Okay, let's try shooting it. Okay, we didn't have it blast. Got our 50 points. Uh-oh. Create event line 26. Oh, here's our problem right here. It came up with room height. Okay, so there's the problem with that. Okay, so I'm gonna let this one go, and we'll continue with this on the next video, because there's actually quite a bit to this. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Subscribe if you can. Okay, bye.